Speediest alludes to top speed. Snappiest alludes to increasing speed. They're unique, and almost everyone is missing the point. We've seen a lot of Tesla Model S 0 to 60 miles per hour increasing speed tests. However, we've infrequently observed trial of the auto's best speed, which is promoted at 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour. So infrequently, that I overlooked that the speedometer really turns red when moving toward the best speed. It's likely because of the coordinations of testing a vehicle at such speed, which isn't possible outside of the chosen few streets and tracks. However, today we get the opportunity to see a fun and brisk test in all lawfulness from Autodocken on the Autobahn. Utilizing a 2016 Tesla Model S P90D on Ludicrous mode, the auto figures out how to achieve 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour, in around 29 seconds. As indicated by Tesla, that should mean around 20% speedier than a standard Model S performance. The issue is, the Tesla Model S P100D isn't especially quick. Like every single other variant of the Tesla Model S, it's constrained to a best speed of 155 miles per hour. Most extravagant automakers constrain their elite vehicles to that same best speed, determined in a man of honor's understanding between Mercedes-Benz, Audi and BMW various years prior to marginally relieve rapid Autobahn fatalities. Yet, there are many new autos today that will send their speedometers route past 155. The Hennessy Venom GT, indeed, will go 115 miles per hour speedier than a maximized Model S P100D, achieving a confirmed 270 miles per hour on the off chance that you give it enough runway. There is one superlative, be that as it may, that Tesla has totally earned, and it's one that scarcely got a say in P100D scope, driving reach. Tesla says the Model S P100D will go up to 315 miles for every battery charge, making it the principal mass-delivered electric auto on the planet to outperform 300 miles on the EPA's driving reach test.